Hey guys, it's Richman. I have something serious to share with you today and some sobering information regarding your online privacy. If you'd rather not know about some of these scary facts, stop this video right now and continue with your normal streaming and searching habits. What you don't know won't hurt you after all. Anyway, if you're still here, let's start with the social networks like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. None of them respect your privacy, and all of them are selling your data to make money. That's not illegal, and in fact, you agree to it when you sign up and use their services. Now, let's get into the scarier stuff. Fact number 1. The NSA, otherwise known as the National Security Agency, can access your phone records. That's right, it's perfectly legal for the NSA to harvest the data from your phone records under the umbrella of security. Privacy be damned. Fact number 2. Major companies are intentionally installing malware onto your computer. Just look up the Lenovo incident and Superfish to see what I mean. Superfish is considered malware and opens your computer up to serious cyber attacks. Fact number 3. Your friendly internet service provider, otherwise known as your ISP, saves your data and passes it on to services like Google, Apple, Amazon, and Microsoft, as well as other leading services. Nice, huh? Fact number 4. The NSA can hack your electronic devices as it sees fit. If the NSA does find a security hole in a popular device, like, say your iPhone or other smartphone, it doesn't fix the hole, but instead exploits it. Nice. Fact number 5. You can be tracked wherever you go. That's based on your cell phone location information. That's right, cell towers can calculate your exact position. You don't even have to be the subject of an investigation. But if you're somehow connected to a person that is under surveillance for any reason, all of your information and positions are being hacked and tracked. Are you starting to get nervous yet? Fact number 6. The NSA knows everything you own and buy. In fact, they know everything about you. They have monetary surveillance, which allows them to track credit card networks, payment gateways, and wire transfer facilities around the world. They can follow every dollar and cent of your money, where it comes from, and what you're spending it on. The solution? Well, while you can't control what the NSA or the social media networks can do or what they're capable of, there are some things you can do to protect yourself and your internet privacy. None of them are perfect, but they will help to guard your privacy and security. So the first thing you can do is protect your internet logins by enabling two-factor authentication. It's relatively simple to do and does require you to have your cell phone handy to input a code. But it does ensure that no one else can get into your private accounts. For instance, your bank accounts or your credit card accounts. The second thing you can do is stop using easy passwords or the same password for every site you visit. A great solution is use a password manager like LastPass or 1Password. I'll leave some suggestions and links in the description below. The third thing you can do is to use a secure browser. Now this is a big one. Whenever you use a browser like Google Chrome, Windows Explorer, Microsoft Edge, Safari, or Firefox, your searches are all being tracked. Even when you enter incognito mode, your real IP address and location are still made public to every website via cookies and ad tracker that loads your browser. Instead, try using other more secure browsers such as Brave, Tor or Iridium. I'll leave links to those more secure browsers in the description below. The fourth thing you can do is to stop using Google search engine. Yeah, I know it's real easy and there's a lot of information on there, that's for sure. Google is the #1 search engine after all, but it also tracks everything you do. Try using DuckDuckGo instead. It uses the same Google search engine but doesn't track your searches and blocks all ad trackers. The fifth thing you can do is to use a VPN. That's a virtual private network. This may be the most important thing you can do to protect your online privacy. Beware though, some VPNs log your searches and will share your data with government agencies if asked, so make sure you research their privacy policies. That's why I personally recommend IPVanish and ExpressVPN. They are zero-log VPN services, which means they don't keep a record of any connection, traffic, or activity data. I'll leave links to both of those services in the description below. So to wrap this up, guys, I hope that you take your internet privacy and security seriously because a lot of people are watching. So if you want to stay safe and you want to keep some of that valuable information, you want to keep some of that valuable financial information safe from prying eyes and from hacking predators, just follow some of my solutions here, including getting that VPN. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. While you're at it, please check out and subscribe to my second channel. I'll leave the link below. This is Richman. I'll see you in the next video.